It may be the only market on Wall Street not in the middle of a sell-off. In fact, quite the opposite. Manhattan apartment prices are rising. Gigi Stone is here with more. Gigi?
It's true, Eric. You know, the economy may be looking grim, but the resilient market for Manhattan apartments is still holding up. Prices do remain flat, but the number of sales of Manhattan apartments actually climbed in the third quarter from a year earlier. That's because entry-level buyers are really taking advantage of falling mortgage rates, and a lot of foreigners are capitalizing on the weak dollar right now. A new report from Miller Samuel and Prudential Douglas came out today. It's showing purchases of condos and co-ops jumped about 16.7% from a year earlier to 3106. That's the highest volume since the third quarter of 2007. Now, while co-op sales were actually flat, condo purchases increased 33% from a year ago to about 1789. That was mostly fueled by international buyers from China, Korea, also South America and Europe buying up. And Jonathan Miller says what they're seeing is a lot of strength at both the low end and the high upper end of the market. It's the middle end.
Yeah.
Of course, elevated unemployment, all the tight underwriting. You know, this is how real estate agents are putting it. The prices of Manhattan apartments are pretty much the same and boring, Eric, but the volume they're selling is very exciting.
Gigi, thanks very much. An update on what's happening in the Manhattan real estate market. A bit surprising, perhaps. And stick around for more Inside Track. We are back in just 2 minutes. You know, there's growing concern about Morgan Stanley and Goldman Sachs. The cost to insure their debt hasn't been this high since the collapse of Lehman Brothers. We're going to be speaking to banking analyst Brad Hintz next hour. You will definitely want to hear that.